is there. The feelings are awakening, a howling out of pain with him. What? Oh, okay. The first time ever I saw your face, I thought the sun rose in your eyes, and the moon and stars were the kiss you gave to the dark and the empty skies, my love, to the dark and the empty skies.
Hanggat may umaga pa, nahaharapi.
Sumablay ako sa breathless, pero diretso okay na. Oh my God. Ha? Okay lang.
Ako,
Ano
ang
siya?
dami ko, pitik.
Hindi ako nagpitik. Nagpitik kaya ako. Laki ng kamay ko.
You do have large hands for somebody small. How's your feet?
Malhaba din yung...
Basketball player ka?
Mahaba din pa ako.
Nag-basketball ka din?
Hindi.
Anong
Pero
sport
may
mo?
PE kami ganun.
Anong sport mo?
Volleyball.
Volleyball.
Badminton.
Yung kamay mo, hindi pa na ano.
Oh my God.
Ano daw?
Sobra.
Sino?
Magada yung mga brand.
My sister.
Busy talaga to.
Oh, it's incest. Because that's my brother. And then my sister. Yeah. Oh. But you're from
nangyari na bang ganun?
Kasi may
May
different...
nangyari bang ganun?
Oh, ang dami sa
Nagtagpo
States.
sila. Hindi nila alam na brothers mo.
Yes, may ganun.
Hindi nila alam na brothers and sisters. May ganun. Ano nangyayari dun? Anak nila?
Wala kasi yung anak nila magiging abnormal.
Bakit?
Hindi pwede brother and sister to have kids kasi yung DNA. Na ano yung DNA?
Oo, diba?
Diba brothers and sisters?
Inaaral yun, diba?
The
Bawal.
child will have health
Tsaka
problems.
kahit hindi brother, sister, yung kamag-anak mo, yung
Kamag-anak
malapit
mo.
mo. Pero sa most,
Ha? Yung pattern ng DNA, masisira, di ba?
Ano?
mga magkakamag-anak sila. Ang hindi niya lang pwedeng asawahin ng tatay tsaka tito niya.
But that's how they used to do it back then.
Kasi,
The rich people would only marry within their family.
kasi para hindi ano.
So they don't lose their
Oo,
riches.
yun.
Ganun.
Greed. Ganun dun.
Alam mo din yung... You guys didn't hear about what happened in the States?
Ano?
Yung polygamy. Cruise.
Ano yan?
Bakit?
Yung parang church. May isang
can you
lalaki.
add an 18?
Ang dami niyang wife. He has like over like 300 children. With then he'll marry some that are only 14.
Can I please talk to my sister,
Binuntis.
Ay, alam ko na!
And he's like somehow related to those.
Oo,
Yeah.
oo, alam ko.
It's only one guy.
Oo nga.
Daming girls, but they're dressed, covered. Polygamy. Polygamy ang tawag doon. Yung dress nila. States. Oh, kawawa. And then, ang tawag doon, Amish. Kasi, simple, they make their own clothes, they make their own everything.
Ano yan?
They raise their own food, ha?
Yung tawag niyo?
Amish. Pero hindi full Amish, but they marry like for instance, ikaw ang lalaki, lahat ito yung asawa mo. And what you'll do is you also think that they're kids.
Pitik.
Tapos,
And then, pero bawal yun.
si ano? Ramon.